Ways, as we look forward with this, if you were the attorney for James Comey or Peter Strzok or Mr. Brennan, would you be worried about possible criminal charges?
Yeah, I would. This is extraordinarily serious misconduct that has been exposed. And if I'm looking at this case, really the only thing I look at and say, who's going to be fired, who's going to lose their law license, and who should be criminally indicted? This is crystal clear misconduct by the prosecutors. And the question becomes, who's policing the police and who's policing the DOJ?
In specifically, when you say misconduct, you're referring to what that the FBI did?
Specifically, what the FBI did with respect to Michael Flynn was they set out under the pretext of trying to get him to lie under oath.
Come on, Andrew, how many times does the FBI go in to set perjury traps? It's why lying to the FBI is a crime. It's one of their tried and true methods. It's why you don't talk to the FBI without your attorney.
Absolutely, but this was different. And the reason why this was different was because the investigation into Flynn was basically concluded. They had the transcript of the call between Flynn and the Russian ambassador, and to actually have it in notes as the FBI saying, one of our goals is to see if we can entrap this guy and get him to lie, that's improper. That's something prosecutors can't do. They can't fit a square peg in the round hole, and that's exactly what they did in this case.
That is the conservative Republican Trump view of this, and obviously there are two vastly different worldviews to the same set of fact patterns that exist here, whether you're a supporter of Michael Flynn or not and some of his other behavior or not. He pled guilty to a crime, and this is what